Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by signing into Steam on the device you'll link. Make sure your email is verified so SteamGuard can activate. Once signed in, enable SteamGuard in Settings because it's required for secure linking. You'll need the phone or Authenticator app nearby to approve codes, so open the Steam mobile app or email client. This prevents lockouts later and ensures linking requests are trusted. Now that authentication is ready, proceed to the account linking interface. Once done with SteamGuard, go to the service or game and choose Sign In with Steam. This starts the OAuth flow. You'll be redirected to Steam's permission screen, read requested permissions, verify the Steam account name and Steam ID shown, and then click Allow. Make sure you approve via the Authenticator or email if prompted. This exchange grants the other service limited access, not your password, so it's secure. After approval, wait for confirmation and for the service to display your linked Steam username. You finish by verifying the link in both Steam and the external services account settings. Look for your Steam username or a linked account section. If something goes wrong, first make sure SteamGuard is active, then clear browser cache or app data and retry the OAuth flow. If it still fails, record the exact error, your Steam ID, and a timestamp. Contact the service's support and Steam support. This helps them trace the OAuth handshake and resolve token or permission issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.